Here we are at the start of one of the trails at Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. This is the pathway to the summit, which is Singapore's highest point at 164 meters. But I feel like taking the South View path into the forest area. Along the way there are signs showing the trees, and there is a clear path so you don't feel like you're in imminent danger or anything. A sign showing lizards that you might encounter. The park also has an exhibition area showcasing different animals and forests in Singapore. The pathways, and it goes all the way down, as you can see from here. There are different routes to choose that will bring you to different points and ultimately leading up to the summit as well.